Show me red. And what? Orange? Yellow? Green. Blue. Purple. Pink. White. Black. Brown. Chicken. One yellow chicken. Show me chicken. Show me yellow. Show me orange. Show me popcorn. Mommy. Show me. Let me think. Daddy. And what about boy and girl? And what other things? Watermelon? Yeah. You know a head of lettuce? Yeah, that's a head of lettuce. What else do you know? Show me the colors.